Good morning friends, this is S.M. Bhagwan, lecturer in English, Government Polytechnic Solapur, and in today's video lecture we are going to study articles, that is a and the, how the articles and are used and where the articles are used, what are the different rules of using articles in English language. So let's have a look at the rules and uses of using articles. At first, it is important to know the definition of English articles. The English language has three articles, that is a, an, and the. They are used only before nouns, particularly before common nouns or collective nouns. For example, man, a man, class, a class, teacher, a teacher, tiger, a tiger, tree, a tree, etc. There are two types of articles in English language. First is indefinite article. Indefinite articles are a and an, and remaining is the. The is called as the definite article. Now, in this video, we are going to study the use of indefinite article a and an. They are called as indefinite articles because they are used before the indefinite or general noun. The object or the noun referred to in such type of example is not fixed or it is not definite, it is indefinite. So, in such an example, article a and an are used. It is used when we do not specify a particular person or thing or object. For example, I saw a boy standing near the ground. In this example, a boy means it can be any boy, it is not definite. So, in this example, boy refers to any boy and not a particular boy. Now, let's have a look at use of a. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. What is a consonant sound? It is other than the vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Other letters in English language are the example of consonant sound. For example, a girl, a man, a cub, a coat, a child. Now, let's have a look at use of an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound, that is a, e, I, o, u. In English language, some words start with an. So, we use an before those nouns. Example of such words are an enemy, an ink pad, an orange, an umbrella, an honest, and ma. In this example, the last word is different. M is not a vowel. It is a consonant. But look at the sound am. It sounds like a vowel. So we use article an before such example, before such noun. Now look at the uses and examples of article a and an. Article a and an are used before a noun that is being mentioned for the first time or that is not known to the receiver. For example, suddenly we heard a loud noise. In this example, a loud noise is referred to for the first time. In the second example, we have a problem. Look at the word. Problem is a singular word and it is also a countable word. We use article a before a singular countable noun. Try to remember this rule. This is very important rule as far as the use of article a is concerned. In the second uses, article a and an are used to refer to a general type of a person or thing and not specific one. In this example, you can see, would you like to have a grilled sandwich? Here, grilled sandwich, any grilled sandwich, it is not definite or fixed. So we have used here a. In the second example, a child, that means any child needs love and affection. So in this example, child is countable and it is singular noun. So we have taken an article a. The third uses of a and an is, it is used before a singular countable noun. Just now I told you the singular countable nouns, the examples like problem, a grilled sandwich, a child. Similarly, in this example also, we saw a car. Car is countable noun and here it is in its a single form. So we have used article a in this place. In the second example, here is a dog. In this example also, look at the word dog. It is a singular and countable. So we have used here article a. The fourth uses of these articles is, it is used to express numerical sense of one or to mean each when stating prices, speed or rates. The examples are, the apples cost 170 rupees a dozen. So here in this noun we find it is also a singular and countable. So we have used here a dozen. In the second example, we can complete the task within a week. Again, our rule is applicable is here also, that is singular and countable. Week, weeks. Here week is in its singular form. So we have used here article a. So these are the rules that are very important while using articles. By looking at the next rule of using articles, they are used with adjectives to refer to a whole class of people as a representative. That means, look at the example 1. A student should obey the teacher. A student means the whole community of students. Here the speaker is not referring to a particular student. It can be the whole community. It is the whole community of students. So it is used here in that representative sense. Similarly, in the second example also, we have a teacher has to have a lot of patience. So in this example also, a is referring to the whole teacher class. So this is the uses of article a. In this next example, in the next uses, it is also used before a noun to indicate one object, one thing or one person. Let's have a look at the example. In example number 1, there was a king. There was a king. That means this a is referring to a one king or single person. So it is used here in that sense. In the next example, I will stay here for a week. I will stay here for a week. In this example, the speaker wants to say that he will stay here for a week or for 1 week. In the next example, 12 inches make a foot. A foot means 1 foot. These are the uses of article a in the sense of 1 unit. The next uses of article is, it is used with the names of job or profession. This is a very common use of article and it should be remembered by you people all the time while speaking or writing in English language. We can see in the example here, John is a doctor. John is a doctor. In this example, doctor is a profession. Doctor is a name of profession. Here also, in the next example, he wants to be a dancer. Dancer is a profession. Similarly, here, teacher, advocate, these are some more examples of the professions. Here we can use article a. So in this unit we have seen that article A is used before a singular and countable noun. In the next example, we can have the example of using article an. Article an is used before the words which start with the vowels like A, E, I, O, U. In this example, we can see the words like elephant, the words like ant, the words like orange, umbrella, honest. These are the examples of words with vowels. So, before such type of words, we should use article an. Here, one exception is there. Some of the words are exception to this rule. That is, look at the word honest. Look at the word honest. Although it starts from the letter H, but it sounds like O. So, we will use article an before such a word. Similarly, in previously I have also mentioned the use of ma. It is a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel. So, article an will be used before such example. So, there are another words like university. Look at the word university. The word starts with U, but we should use article A before that word, because although that word starts with a vowel, but it sounds like a what? What can we call it? It sounds like a consonant sound. Y. Y is similar to Y. So, article A is used before such a word. So, these are the example of and rules of using indefinite article A and an. Actually speaking, the rules are very simple. Once you remember these rules, you can easily apply these rules in your writing as well as in your spoken communication. So, you must have a command over such type of uses like using A and an in your day-to-day communication. In our next video, we will be focusing on the uses of definite article the. That's it for today's lecture. Thank you. Goodbye.